Ever wonder how games like Flappy Bird 2048 or Agar.io run instantly in your browser without downloading anything? That's web game development, and it's way more accessible than you think. Let's break it down. Web games are built using three core technologies: HTML5 for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. They run directly in your browser using the HTML5 Canvas API, basically a drawing surface where your game comes to life. The coolest part? They work on any device. Laptop, tablet, phone, doesn't matter. Just open a browser and play. Here's where the magic happens. Every web game runs something called a game loop. This loop fires approximately 60 times per second. That's 60 frames per second, or 60 FPS. Here's the three-step cycle that repeats endlessly. Step 1. Input. Your game listens for user actions, keyboard presses, mouse clicks, touch events. JavaScript captures these with event listeners like add event listener keydown. Step 2. Update. Based on that input, your game updates everything. It moves the player, checks for collisions, did you hit an enemy, did you collect a coin, and updates your score. All the game logic happens here. Step 3. Render. Finally, your game redraws everything on the canvas. It clears the old frame and draws the player, enemies, obstacles, and background in their new positions. This happens 60 times per second. That's what creates smooth, fluid gameplay. Let's trace through a real example. In Flappy Bird, you tap the screen. JavaScript detects this with a click event listener. The game updates your bird's vertical position. It goes up. Simultaneously, it checks collision detection. Did you hit a pipe? Did you go out of bounds? Then it renders the bird at its new position on the canvas, all in about 16 milliseconds. Writing everything from scratch? That's tough. That's why game engines exist. Here are the popular ones. Phaser.js, perfect for 2D games. It handles sprites, collision detection, animations, and physics automatically. Three.js for 3D games. It manages 3D objects, lighting, cameras, and rendering. Babylon.js, another powerful 3D engine with excellent performance and documentation. Godot engine can export to web with WebAssembly for even better performance. These tools handle the complex stuff, so you focus on making your game fun. How to build your first game. Step by step. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. Get comfortable with JavaScript basics. Variables, functions, loops, arrays. That's your foundation. Step 2. Pick your engine. Starting with 2D, go Phaser.js. Want 3D? Choose Three.js or Babylon.js. Step 3. Set up your project. Create an HTML file with a canvas element. Here's a simple setup. Step 4. Build your game loop. Use request animation frame to create that 60 FPS loop. Step 5. Add game mechanics. Handle input, update positions, check collisions, render graphics. Step 6. Start simple. Your first game should be simple. A snake game, a Pong clone, or a basic platformer, not a massive RPG. Step 7. Test and iterate. Play your game, find bugs, fix them, add features. Step 8. Publish it. Upload to itch.io, GitHub pages, or your own website. Share it with friends. No installation barriers, no App Store approvals, no lengthy downloads, just instant, accessible gaming. Your reach is global. Anyone with a browser can play your creation. Plus, you can update your game anytime without waiting for user downloads. Web game development is real programming, real creativity, and real fun. You're not just learning, you're building things people can actually play and enjoy. But here's the thing, knowing the theory is one thing. Actually building and mastering it, that requires structured learning, hands-on projects, and expert guidance. That's exactly what DMLearning offers. We've built comprehensive courses that take you from zero to hero, from understanding the game loop to publishing your first game. You'll code along with us, build real projects, and join a community of game developers. Visit DMLearning today and start your game development journey.